The Meghalaya High Court, led by Justice Hamarsan Singh Thankyo, has accepted the decision of the writ petitioners to cancel the annual pilgrimage to Mawjymbuin cave. The court directed the formation of a committee chaired by the Deputy Commissioner to address environmental, tourism and local concerns related to the cave. Legal counsel V.G.K. Kinta emphasized the committee's role in ensuring future safeguarding of the cave's environment and the interest of the community. Additionally, the court mandated 24-hour patrolling to prevent any incidents in and around the cave.
It is not that they have good road. And the court also was pleased to direct that there should be a 24 hours police patrolling to see that no untoward incident occurs in and around the cave and to avoid miscreants from doing anything.
The Health Department of Meghalaya is awaiting